If you're experiencing high ping in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it generally provides a more stable connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet, like streaming services or downloads, can consume bandwidth and increase your ping. Step 3. Change server region. In Rocket League, go to the settings menu and change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Check your device manager for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you've tried the previous steps and still experience high ping, contact your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or suggest upgrades to improve your speed. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping and enhance your Rocket League experience. Happy gaming!